Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the gummy bears, only way. Start by measuring 2 cups of fruit juice and 3 tablespoons of gelatin into a saucepan, whisking to avoid lumps, then warm gently until fully dissolved. Stir in 1 tablespoon of sweetener if you like them sweeter, and remove from heat. Skim any foam, cool slightly, and prepare for molding with a small dropper or spoon for neat shapes. Gently heat the juice and gelatin mixture on low and whisk constantly to dissolve the gelatin without boiling, which keeps the texture smooth and clear. If you want bolder flavor, add a few drops of natural extract or a pinch of citrus zest while it's warm, then taste and adjust. Pour the mixture through a fine strainer if there is pulp, so your gummy bears have a consistent, pleasant chew when set in the molds. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials and recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort on busy kitchen days, and they make a funny gift for candy makers. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Then now let's get back to the video. Fill silicone molds using a dropper for precise control, tapping gently to remove air bubbles and ensure even shapes. Place the filled molds in the refrigerator and let them set for 1 to 2 hours, depending on size, until they are firm to the touch and pop out cleanly. If any stickiness remains, lightly dust the gummies with cornstarch and shake off excess, then store them in an airtight container in the fridge for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.